Good morning, gents. This week assembly we're going to share what we're thankful for coming up to Christmas. I am extremely thankful for all your generosity and all your kindness in the donations for Storehouse, and with all the betting it's going to go a long way to helping people.
I'm thankful for House Cross Country and the fact that we actually got a chance to get our house tops on and get out and compete against each other. We'll forward those results as soon as Mr. McCula has them, but sometimes it can take him a little while to pass those on. So thank you very much.
Hey guys, in 2020 I'm glad actually that 2020 is over. It's been a bit of a tough year for everybody. I suppose when we look back on it, it's not a year that we will look back and go, yeah, it's been great. But we've learned an awful lot. I'm also thankful for the opportunity to work as a housemaster. It's been fantastic, and there's been a lot of positives that come out for us in the house, and a lot of you guys really got behind it, and we really appreciate that. I'm also thankful this time of year for friends and family. You know, as the one thing that this year has taught me is how valuable we are and how much we depend on each other, and how many good characteristics have come out of not only the teachers but you guys across the school. It's been absolutely fantastic, and I suppose the best way to look at that is how well you guys did at Storehouse here last week. All the food, you know, all the betting, you've really made and contributed so well to the school community, and fed into that big family that we have here at Campbell College. So happy Christmas, everyone.
Oh guys, I'm so thankful to be down here at Netherley Lake, just checking there's nobody out of bounds. On a more serious note, really thankful for all the help of the house heads of houses and the role that they've played since the start of the year. They've really helped us as housemasters, and again we're grateful for our house tutors and how well they look after you guys and how well they support you. So everybody, a big thank you.
I'm thankful that we've made it safely to this point in the term, and I want to say thank you guys, because that must be down to you and down to all of the staff and the things that we are all collectively doing to sort of keep us safe around the school. So thank you for social distancing as much as you've been able to, wearing your face coverings and washing your hands regularly. I'm sure that has helped to make a huge difference.
I'm really thankful for Christmas. It's nearly Christmas time. It has been a long term, but we can look forward to the joy at Christmas. Baby Jesus was born, we share the presents, we try and share the joy and the light in the world with everyone around us. So I hope that you will find some joy this Christmas and have a relaxing break. Thank you.